You keep hearing traders talk about IV or implied volatility like it's some deep secret. It's really just a weather forecast for drama. It tells you how much the market expects a stock to move, and it's hiding inside every option price. Once you get it, you'll understand why options are cheap sometimes and wildly expensive other times. Same toy robot, one weather report. Let's read the forecast. So what is implied volatility? It's the market's collective guess about how much a stock is going to move in the near future, big swings or small ones. And here's the key, that guess is baked right into the price of every option. When the crowd expects lots of movement, options get pricey. When they expect calm, options get cheap. It's called implied because it's implied by the price. We work backwards from what people are paying to figure out how much drama they're expecting. It's a forecast written in the price tag. Let's say a big, uncertain event is coming for the robot. Everyone expects a wild swing. That's high implied volatility, a storm in the forecast. When drama is expected, everybody wants those coupons, calls, and puts to bet on or protect against the big move. So demand shoots up and the coupons get expensive. It's exactly like insurance the day before a giant storm is forecast. Suddenly everyone wants it, so the price spikes. High 4 means expensive options because the market is bracing for a big move. Now the opposite. Say it's a sleepy, boring stretch, no news, nothing happening with the robot. That's low implied volatility, calm, clear skies. Nobody expects much movement, so nobody's rushing to buy coupons, and options get cheap. It's like storm insurance on a perfectly sunny, forecast calm day. Hardly anyone wants it, so it's dirt cheap. Low 4 means cheap options because the market expects things to stay quiet. Same robot, same strikes, but the price of the coupons changes with the mood of the crowd. Here's a point beginners always miss. Implied volatility says nothing about which way the stock will go. It's not bullish or bearish. It only measures how big the expected move is, not the direction. High 4 just means expect a big swing, could be up, could be down. It's a forecast of how wild, not which way. So a stock can have sky-high 4 and then move up, down, or frustratingly, barely move at all. 4 is the size of the expected wave, never the direction of it. Now the trap that ambushes beginners, it's called IV crush. Before a big event like earnings, implied volatility is pumped way up, so options are expensive. A beginner buys a call, the news comes out, the stock even moves their way a little, and yet their option loses value. How? Because the instant the event passes, the uncertainty is gone, so 4 collapses and the air rushes right out of the option price. The storm they were charging you for has passed. Many option buyers get crushed this way, right when they thought they were finally right. So how do the pros use this? Simple idea, buy options when 4 is low and sell options when 4 is high. When drama is cheap, calm skies, low 4, that's a bargain time to buy a coupon. When drama is expensive, storm coming, high 4, that's a great time to be the one selling coupons and collecting those fat premiums. It's like the smart move with insurance. Buy it when it's cheap, sell it when everyone's panicking and overpaying. Buy low drama, sell high drama. Remember Vega, the drama meter from our Greeks video? This is where it all clicks together. Vega measures how much your options price reacts to changes in implied volatility. So if you own an option and 4 rises, the storm forecast grows, Vega makes your option worth more. If 4 falls, that 4 crush, Vega drags it down. Implied volatility is the forecast, and Vega is how exposed your particular option is to that forecast changing. Together they explain a huge chunk of why option prices move even when the stock doesn't. So here's the whole thing in one sentence, a 5-year-old could repeat. Implied volatility is the market's weather forecast for how much a stock will move, and it's baked into every option's price. High 4, expensive options, storm expected. Low 4, cheap options, calm expected. It's about how much, never which way. And that's implied volatility, that intimidating IV, turned into a simple weather forecast for drama. When the market expects big moves, options get expensive. When it expects calm, they get cheap. So buy your coupons when drama is cheap and sell them when it's pricey, and watch out for that 4 crush after big events. If this made 4 finally make sense, subscribe because we explain every scary trading idea like your 5, one at a time. This is for learning only, not financial advice.